What's going on, guys? Chef Coast here. So today I am in the kitchen and let me show y'all what I got. I'm making some stir fry. Alright folks, the meal is done. I repeat, the meal is done. Look at this. Stir fry. Veggie. 100% healthy. So I steamed the green peppers. I boiled the beets, sauteed the bell peppers, onion, garlic, and then yeah, just put everything together. I roasted a little bit of cashew and sliced almonds, and put them all in here. And I used coconut oil because it's not good to cook with garlic. Olive oil and high temperature. So the alternative would be coconut oil. But look at this, crazy good. Chef Coast in the house, showing out. Also, I also got for a side serving green lentils, steamed, and steamed broccoli as well. Guys, this is just, instead of going out to Burger King, McDonald's, or Hardee's, you can just at home cook this up and enjoy it. I only spent $30 to get all these, and I still have leftover stuff too, so I can cook another one. And look, this is gonna feed me or even my family for straight 2 days. So make that decision. It's all on you. But Chef Coast is out. I don't know what I want to call this meal. Taste the rainbow. We'll see. Maybe taste the rainbow, because look, it's so colorful. There's yellow in there, there's red, there's purple, there is green, all kinds of colors. It's beautiful. All right, y'all. Peace. Chef Coast in the house. We out.